So, I have been thinking to find a truck and some other players to help me with that. I have found this V3S truck a couple of times in Krasnostav and one time in Gorka. Maintaining this truck is not so easy because you have to refuel it with gas canister that doesn't fit any backpack. So you have to keep that canister into your hands, and that makes this fueling thing quite hard. But I believe that with another player you can do it much easier. So I'm willing to test it. Up next. How did I miss that?
I don't know.
Wanna drive?
Yeah.
Do you have a driving license?
Not in the game, but in real life, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. Next thing might be the gasoline canister. You don't have clothes.
What?
You don't have any clothes. Uh,
I
only underwear.
fuck.
Oh, oh man.
I looked 1 second at you and now wait.
Did you take off your clothes again?
No,
I see
but
you.
you are naked.
You too.
I see me not naked. I see my clothes on me.
I see my clothes on me too.
It's a fucking bag.
Yeah. Alpha.
Oh, I have to drive on the right side. I'm sorry.
You're not in UK.
So where we want to park our car.
I think inside
I
the
don't
trees or something.
I don't want to drive with the truck inside the city, you know.
Yeah, maybe some tree lines where.
I drive on the left in the trees.
Yeah, that sounds like a plan.
The sounds, I like the sounds from this truck.
Yeah, they made it right.
Yeah, it sounds really good. I can't pass through.
No.
What now?
In the bush.
Take it. Yeah, right. Yeah, I thought the same. Yeah. Maybe. Okay, I go out, take a look.
Me too.
I don't know. Maybe.
You back wheels are seen, but I don't know. Is it too bad?
You know the place from the canister?
When we get near the factory area in Perasino, there is some little houses and garage.
Okay. It
It's
have to be here. There. The. Do you mean this right now in front of us?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. I go back to the truck. I see it. I take a look. There's a guy
Where?
near the truck.
Uh-huh.
No. He don't see the truck. He's searching for apples. Oh no, he sees the truck.
Oh my god. We have to take him out. I'm running there now.
Hello, guy. Hello. Go away from the truck. Go away. Yeah, it's all okay. Don't. Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, it's okay. Don't take our truck. Thank you. Yeah. For the moment, it's my truck. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Yeah. Ha ha. I defend our truck.
Yeah. Cool.
There he's running on the rail. I can't go out.
I can't go out either. This is bummer.
Yeah, we have to relock. I do it.
Yeah. I do
Hopefully
too.
I'm not dying.
Yeah.